Let's learn how to insert batteries into your Schogini Toys electronics and coding DIY kit. You'll need 3 AA batteries for this adventure. Follow these steps. Open the battery case, press the notch to open the battery casing. Place the batteries, make sure the flat negative side of each battery is facing the spring inside the battery holder. Close the lid. Once all the batteries are in place, close the lid securely. Power up. Slide the switch to the on position. Check the display. Wait for the menu screen to display L100. If you see any other menu other than L100, move the joystick left once or twice to get to the root menu and then move it up or down to reach the menu L100. Great job! You're all set.